You know, the great thing about RVs is not only the ease of travel, but the memories you make in something like this. I'm with Brett Parris from Parris RV in this sponsored interview, and you have a story about a Prowler just like this one, Brett.
Yeah, this is a 2026 Prowler. The model is a 2500 BH, and you're right, it holds a special spot in my heart. When Dori and I, we had a couple of tent trailers when we were in our 20s, raising our kids, taking them out camping in our tent trailers, and then we finally got a little bigger vehicle and thought, you know what, we got an SUV. First time we'd had an SUV. We're going to go ahead and step up and get ourselves a brand new Prowler. And the funny thing is it's the same thing as it was back then. They called it a 25Z, but it was a 25-foot set of bunks in the back, you know, with a dinette on the side, center kitchen, walk around bed in the front. The floor plan really hasn't changed. There's been a few little changes. You know, the beds used to be smaller in the back for the bunks. These are a little wider, but the rest of it's basically the same.
If it ain't broke, don't fix it, right? Just update it a little bit. How's it make you feel when you stand in front of this? Did you instantly go back 25 years?
You know, yes. I can still see some of those pictures. We're going to put that on screen if we haven't already. Yeah, you know, I had my little family there. That picture we're going to show on TV is us at Zion National Park, camped outside. We were super proud to own a Prowler at that point, and you know what? I'm super proud to be selling them this day.
Some incredible memories in that Prowler. So what did you like about the space for your family at that time?
You know, it's a perfect bunkhouse for a family because it does sleep, 6 to 8, depending on the size. Only weighs 4,300 pounds. And so, you know, if you've got a mid-size SUV or something, it'll handle this, like your Honda Pilot.
It would work.
It would work. But you know what? The floor plan hasn't changed, but boy, they have sure added on a lot of things. And so in the old days, I used to crank out my awning manually. This one's got a push-button awning. The old days, they had old type water heaters. This one's got a continuous hot water heater, which is really nice. They've got more efficient air conditioners. The fridge is 12-volt, runs more efficiently. There's just a lot of things about the new trailers that are so much better than those trailers 25 years ago. The funny thing about that is they're not that much different in money. I went back and I looked, and back in those days, I paid $16,000 for that 2021 Prowler 25Z. This particular one I've got right now on the ground with batteries, propane, freight, everything ready to go for $15,995.
Are you kidding?
16 grand.
2.5 decades later.
2.5 decades later, they've figured out how to improve these trailers. Just, I mean, unbelievable how much nicer they are. Floor plan, tried and true, good. A lot better trailer. And you know what? The money hasn't changed.
So you put your cute young family in here. Is that who you see as the customer that would love this?
I mean, really, any family would be good in it, and only a family would want one with bunks, I would think, unless you just want to use the bunks for storage, which is another option. But yeah, it's perfect, you know, because those double bunks in the back, you can put 2 on each bunk. The dinette will make down for a couple of small kids, and then, of course, you have the primary bed up front for mom and dad. It's a walk-around queen bed. You're not missing a single thing in this trailer. Air conditioning, furnace, you know, microwave. It's got the full bath in the back, fully self-contained, ready to take your family out for the next adventure.
Come and peek at a Prowler, everyone. We're at the Payson location, and the weather is just gorgeous. You can walk around outside or inside. Also locations in Murray and in Pocatello.